Hi, Bianca. Welcome to week two. In week two, we're going to be learning about plagiarism and citing sources, evaluating sources. Um, you're going to read chapters 12 and 13 in your textbook. And then in your discussion, you're going to watch a short video and then answer some questions about that, of course. Um, then in your assignment 2.1, you're going to write a 500-word informational paper about the history of the United States Constitution. Be sure to cite your sources if you get sources from anywhere else, okay? In assignment 2.2, you're going to watch a video about reliable sources and then answer some questions. And then in assignment 2.3, you're going to do a comparison about two speeches that could be plagiarized and give your opinion about those in your paper, a short little assignment. That's pretty much it. So they're short assignments, just answering some questions in 500 words on your assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions or any concerns. All right. Have a good week. Thanks, Bianca.